Hey guys, happy Thursday. So we've got a storm coming this weekend. Let's run to the grocery store and see if we can get everything we need. Do what? We're gonna go get some food. Just got done at Aldi. They were actually really sparse, pretty low on bread, pretty low on milk. Honestly, was surprised that people just came in and bought hot dogs and buns. I was like, of all the things, hot dogs and buns, but okay, whatever you say. So we're gonna run into Kroger and get a couple other things, odds and ends that we couldn't get. So come on. We just got home, so Kroger was better stocked than Aldi was for sure, but we are ready for the snowstorm. Bring it on. Just fingers crossed our electricity doesn't go out. Thank you all so much for watching. You all stay safe. Bye.